Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss what information technology, IT, is, why it is important, and what are the core concepts of IT. When we talk about information technology, many people assume it's just about fixing computers. However, IT encompasses much more than that. IT involves the governance and maintenance of computer systems, networks, and software, along with their development and management. Information technology comprises everything from computer hardware and software to networks, cloud computing, data security, and technical support. It includes the design and development of apps and tools, analysis and data management, IT infrastructure planning and implementation, and cybersecurity, among others. There are many different career paths in the information technology field, and the demand for IT professionals continues to grow. In fact, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts a 15% growth in information technology occupations on a national level between 2021 and 2031. So, why is information technology important? At its core, IT serves to solve business or organizational problems on a broad scale. Without functioning IT systems, work in many organizations would likely grind to a halt. It would be difficult to find a business anywhere that doesn't rely at least partially on computers and the networks that connect to them. Under the larger umbrella of information technology are many specialties and subspecialties, and most aligned to a handful of core concepts that touch all aspects of computing across every type of business and industry. These include information security, database, and network management, computer technical support, and business software development. In our interconnected world, personal and sensitive data lives on our devices and online at banks, healthcare providers, e-commerce sites, and anywhere else we conduct business. Cybersecurity professionals work behind the scenes to keep your data safe from cyber criminals. They create and manage systems to safeguard against unauthorized access, malware, and other cyber threats. Businesses of all sizes depend on the accurate and timely sharing of data to get the job done. IT professionals who specialize in database management are adept in data storage and retrieval, database management system, DBMS, architecture, data backup and recovery, data archives, and more. Network managers and analysts understand how data is transmitted from person to person and from device to device. They ensure networks are operating smoothly and troubleshoot any problems that arise. The technical support team is typically organized in tiers, with entry-level employees escalating complex problems to their more experienced colleagues. Successful support professionals are patient and understanding, with the ability to ask the right questions and get to the root of an issue. They help users solve hardware and software issues, from problems with their email to issues with their computer's operating system. Software developers work closely with business analysts and users to audit and upgrade systems, generate code for new software solutions, maintain and test software, and document how programs and apps work. Some developers specialize in types of software, while others focus on specific industries. They stay up to date on the latest programming languages and tools to ensure they are creating the most efficient and effective software possible. IT can be broken down into two major parts, hardware and software. Hardware includes the physical equipment required to manage information, like mobile phones, laptop computers, printers, switches, servers, and routers. Software manages basic computing functions and includes system software and applications. Additionally, there are many specializations within the field of information technology, such as software development, network engineering, cybersecurity, data analytics, and more. Each of these fields requires different skill sets, and professionals in these areas work together to design, build, and maintain the systems that make modern businesses and organizations run smoothly. Collaboration is an essential aspect of IT, as many projects require cross-functional teamwork to ensure success. IT professionals work with various departments within a company, from marketing and sales to finance and human resources, to identify business needs and create solutions to meet those needs. Effective project management is also crucial to the success of IT initiatives. IT project managers oversee the planning, implementation, and monitoring of projects, ensuring that they are completed on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of stakeholders. In conclusion, information technology is a constantly evolving field that is critical to the success of businesses and organizations across industries. As technology continues to advance, the demand for IT professionals with diverse skill sets and expertise will continue to grow. So, if you're interested in a dynamic and rewarding career, consider exploring the many opportunities that information technology has to offer. So that's it for our video. We hope you enjoyed learning about information